Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where we learn the smallest but the important components of English language. In this video, we are going to learn about essay writing, its types and how do you draft a perfect essay. What is an essay? An essay can be defined as a composition on a specific topic, or it can also be explained as an attempt at self-expression, where one is able to express his ideas, feelings, personal opinions, or trying to convince others about his view. It can be formal as well as informal. Formal essays are generally academic in nature, whereas informal essays are more personal. Now, let's look into types of essays. Essays can be classified as narrative essay, descriptive essay, expository essay, and persuasive essay. So we'll be learning in detail about these essays. First one, narrative essay. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about real-life experience. While telling a story may sound easy to do, the narrative essay challenges students to think and write about themselves. It's usually written in first person. When writing a narrative essay, writers should try to involve the reader by making the story as vivid as possible. A well-crafted narrative essay will also build towards drawing a conclusion or making a personal statement. The second one, descriptive essay. A descriptive essay consists of description of something or somebody. Writing a descriptive essay is like painting a word picture using specific or concrete details. One clever way to do this to evoke the senses of the reader. So do not rely on the sight but also involve the other senses of smell, touch, sound, etc. Expository essay. The expository essay is an informative piece of writing that presents a balanced analysis of the topic. In the expository essay, the writer explains or defines a topic using facts, statistics, and examples. It has a wide range of essay variation, such as comparison and contrast essay, the cause and the effect essay, or the process essay. Here, the essays are based on facts, not personal feelings. So writers don't reveal their emotions or write in first person. The last one, persuasive essay. The main goal of persuasive essay is to convince the reader to accept the writer's point of view or recommendation. The writer must build a case using facts and logic, as well as examples, expert opinion, and sound reasoning. Here, the writer should be able to present all sides of argument, but must be able to communicate clearly. The main aim of the persuasive essay is to persuade the readers that writer's argument carries more weight. So far, you have learned that an essay is a collection of ideas that are presented logically and with clarity. So while writing an essay, the following aspects must be kept in your mind. The first one, give your essays an interesting and appropriate title. Keep it between 300 to 500 words because this is the ideal length of writing an essay. Keep your language simple and crisp because unnecessary complications and difficult words may break the flow of the sentence. Do not make any grammar mistakes. Use correct punctuations and spellings. If this is not done, it will distract the reader from the content. So, before you begin an essay, organize your thought, plot a rough draft. This way, you can ensure the story will flow and not be unorganized. The writing process. Any writing process involves planning, drafting, and revising. So, here are some guidelines that can help you while writing an essay. The first one, choice of the topic. You may choose a topic that interests you. The subject of your essay can also be the topic about which you want to express your ideas. Collection of ideas. Write down everything you know about your topic. The one way of generating ideas is by putting simple questions to yourself like what, where, when, why, or how. Organizing the ideas. Now that you have all the material, prepare an outline of an essay by organizing these ideas. Writing an essay. You have an outline ready before you. Now write the first draft by developing the ideas and filling in the details. Revising it. To revise means to look again. So revise your essay before writing the final draft. Check your essay to see if you have included all the material you wanted. You may rewrite unclear sentences or rearrange ideas in different order. You must also check vocabulary, spelling, sentence, structure, and tenses. The last one, writing the final draft. When you have corrected all the mistakes, write a neat final draft of your essay. Components of an essay. An essay is essentially divided into three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The paragraph with which you begin your essay is an introductory paragraph. Here, you should capture the interest of the reader so that he feels encouraged to read further. You may begin your paragraph by telling an incident, giving information, or by expressing your interest in a subject. The second one, body of the essay, comprises one or more paragraphs, and each paragraph should explain a separate idea related to the topic. The paragraph should present your ideas and information using simple language. The last one, conclusion. The concluding paragraph should complete your essay. It should reinforce the main idea stated in the beginning of the essay. It can often include an effective sentence that can create an impact on the reader's mind.